Hey, it's Casino Mike. Moonlighting. What do you think of that? If you're in a job where you're not making enough money or you're being overworked and you feel stuck and you're not happy where you're at, you want to maybe look into something like that. Now, am I saying go and work a second job that works 4 to 8 hours? 8 hours is a bit too much for me. That's 16 hours of work. But what if you could work 1, 2, maybe 4 hours and you're not even going to another location? You're at home. Or you go remote somewhere, someplace where you can take care of that business without being interrupted. You could arrange something like that at a quiet coffee shop or some kind of place that you know is going to be, you won't be interrupted. Staying in a job and working for less and working so hard that it's going to make you crash, crash and burn. Why go through that when you could do something much easier to make extra money and to easily move into something else? What would you do? You can work for a company or a client in remote work, putting things together, like transcripting or anything like that. You do something where you work for them online. Or you can create your own business at a low cost, not even having to pay for a brick and mortar location. You can just do it at home. Why not? Why not do something like that? Rather than to stay in one place where you get overworked. And this can happen with especially people you work with. When you're at a company, you don't choose who you work with. The company chooses that. And if that person that's supposed to work with you, or if you got a number of people, and they all throw their work onto you while they take off and go somewhere, is that going to work? And what if the supervisor, the manager, director, what have you, is okay with that? Can you handle that for less money? It's up to you. I mean, if you can handle that, and I know some people, they love the accolades of the companies. I like the appreciation, and they feel like they're part of a group, but not if you're taken advantage of. So if you're unhappy with where you work, you may want to try out a little moonlighting at home or in a remote area. You may want to do that if you're even happy at your job and you want to make a little extra money. Check out the link below and see if that may fit. But I can't see you guys struggling for a smaller paycheck and getting no help from the people that work around you. This is Casino Mike. Moonlight.